This week in phonics and spelling, we are going to talk about base words and their endings, and specifically the endings ed and ing. Let's take a look at this picture card. And let's read the word that goes along with it. Dig. Dig. Read it with me. Dig. Now you read it. Dig. Good. Dig has one vowel, which I just underlined. I is the one vowel, and right after the vowel is a single consonant. That's the letter G. We have a vowel followed by a consonant in the word dig. When a word has one vowel followed by a single consonant, we do something special. We usually double the consonant before adding the ending ed or ing. So let's look at our word. I'm going to write it again. Dig. D-I-G. Now, if you remember, I said that we double the consonant. Our consonant is the letter G. So we double it. That means that we write it again. This means that we write it again before we add our ending. And I'm going to write our ending. I added the ing ending. Digging. Digging. If I used this word in a sentence with the picture, the girl is digging with the shovel. Digging. You read the word. Digging. I'm going to underline the base word. Remember, our base word is dig. Base or root word. Sometimes we say both. Dig. That is the root or base word before the ending was added. Dig. D-I-G. That's even before we added the other G. That's before we doubled the G. So our root or base word is dig. D-I-G. And our ending is ing. This is the word digging. I see the base word dig and the ending ing. I doubled the final consonant G in dig before adding ing. Digging. How many syllables do you hear in digging? Digging. 2. Let's look at another word. I'm going to write it. Batted. Batted. Read the word. Batted. Let's find the base word and the ending in batted. Our base word or root word in batted is bat. I see the base word bat and the ending ed. Do you see the consonant that I doubled? That's right. I doubled the final consonant T in bat before adding the ed ending. Batted. How many syllables do you hear in batted? Batted. 2. Remember that the ed in batted, the ed ending, stands for past. It's the past tense. That means it already happened. I have written the word pick. I want to add an ending to the word pick. I'm going to add the ending ed. P-I-C-K-E-D. Picked. My root or base word is pick, and my ending is ed. Did I have to double the consonant at the end? I didn't. That is because there are 2 consonants after the vowel in the base word. Vowel, consonant, consonant. So we did not double it this time. We just added our ending. Here I have written the word fixed. Read it with me. Fixed. Now you read it. What is the root or base word? Fix. What's the ending? Ed. Did we double the consonant in the root or base word? We did not. Even though there is a vowel followed by a consonant, there is a difference with this one. That's because the X forms 2 consonant sounds. Fix. That KS, fix. So we're not going to double it. Not when we add the ED, not when we add the ING, not when we have an X at the end of the word. Like with a lot of spelling, there's always going to be lots of exceptions when we're doing spelling, and we'll talk about those as we go along. Okay, our spelling words this week are running, clapped, stopped, hopping, batted, selling, pinned, cutting, sitting, rubbed, missed, grabbed.